You've got mountains of data. Wouldn't it be great if you could find the story behind the numbers on your own? That's why there's the new Excel. In these courses, you'll see how Excel is the best app for reviewing and editing spreadsheets at work, at home, and everywhere in between. As you enter data, Excel recognizes patterns, so it can automatically fill in the remaining info for you. Then, after you've entered your data, Excel helps you spot trends and patterns using data bars, spark lines, color coding, and icons. Excel even helps you summarize and illustrate your insights by recommending pre-made pivot tables and charts. And when you're all done, you can let others view or edit your work at the same time by saving to the cloud on OneDrive. You don't even need a PC. You just need a browser or the Excel mobile app. Learn how to uncover the story behind the numbers with Excel. Let's get started. In Excel, create a new blank workbook or use a template to help you organize your data. Open Excel. Select Blank Workbook. Start typing and adding data. Want to use a template? Select New. Choose one of the templates or search for what you want.
In Excel, insert or delete rows and columns to better organize your worksheet. To insert, select a cell. Select Home Insert. Choose Insert Sheet Row or Insert Sheet Column. Need to delete a column or row? Select a cell in the column or row you want to delete. Select Home Delete and choose what you want to delete. Nice! Several ways to move or copy cells in Excel. Here are a few to get you started. First, move cells by dragging and dropping. Select some cells. Point to the border of the selection. When the pointer becomes a move pointer, drag the cells to another location. Second, move cells by using cut and paste. Select some cells. Select Cut or press Ctrl X. A dotted line indicates the cells have been cut. Select where you want to move the cells. Select Paste or press Ctrl V. Third, copy cells by using Copy and Paste. Select some cells. Select Copy or press Ctrl C. Select where you want to copy the cells. Select Paste or press Ctrl V. Good work!
How cell data appears with available number formats like dates and percentages in Excel. Start by selecting the cells you want to format. Under Home, select a format from the drop-down menu. To see all available number formats, select the down arrow. From the Format Cells window, you can add percentage symbols, currencies, and zeros after the decimal. Want to change the date format? You can also right-click the selection and choose Format Cells from the menu. Select the date option you want, then choose OK to apply it.
Create formulas in Excel and use built-in functions to perform calculations and solve problems. Select a cell. Type the equal sign. Select a cell or type its address. Notice the blue color match between the cell reference and the cell. Enter an operator like minus for subtraction. Add another cell. Notice the red color match between the cell reference and the cell. Excel is helping you confirm your cell selection. Press Enter and the result appears. You can see your formula in the formula bar. Also, functions help you save time when creating formulas. Select a cell. Type equals and then a function, like sum. Type an opening parenthesis. Select a range of cells. Don't forget the closing parenthesis. Press Enter to get your result. Need more help with formulas? Select File, New, and choose the Formula Tutorial template. Nice! Create and format a table in Excel to visually group and analyze data. Select a cell within your data. Select Home, Format as Table. Choose a style for your table. Check your cell range. Mark if your table has headers. Select OK. Now it's easy to filter your data or perform other analysis for the entire table. Sweet!
In Excel, create a chart to help visualize your data. Select Data for the chart. Select Insert, Recommended Charts. Descriptions help you choose the right chart. Select a chart. Select OK. Move and resize the chart how you want. Want to add a trend line? Select the chart. Under Chart Design, select Add Chart Element, Trend Line, and choose the option you want. The pivot table, you can analyze data to reveal patterns and trends. Select cells in your table or range. Select Insert Pivot Table, or choose Recommended Pivot Tables. Choose where you want the pivot table to go. Add the fields you want in your pivot table. Now just drag fields to new areas to arrange everything how you want. That's it. Share your workbook in Excel to collaborate with others. Select Share. Choose the permissions you want. Add people, and type a message if you want. Select Send. Recipients will receive an email notification with a link to the workbook. Or select Copy Link and share the link however you want, like in an email, document, or chat message.
Get online data into your Excel workbook with data types. To see available data types, select Data. Open the Data Types gallery to view data type categories like chemistry, food, zip codes, and movies, and even plants. Let's add some plants. Then, format by selecting Home, Format as Table. Select Data, and then select the Plants button. If you see a question mark, Excel needs help to specify the data. Go to the Data selector and select the matching one. Select the icon to open the card for this data type. Select Add Column to show the data you can add. Adjust columns or rows to fit data. And format to get your data looking just right.
Welcome to our Introduction to Power Query tutorial. In this interactive series of quick videos, we'll walk you through how to get started with Power Query and take your data transformation skills to the next level. To get started, we'll download some data from a website. This step will just show you how to get data from various sources, so we won't be doing any transformations yet. First, open the Introduction to Power Query workbook. When you're done, copy the URL on the Import Data from Web worksheet. You can see that it's going to take us to a Wikipedia page for the FIFA World Cup standings. Next, go to Data, Get and Transform from Web. Use Ctrl-V to paste the URL into the URL text box, then press OK. In the Navigator pane, under Display Options, select the Results table. Power Query will preview it for you in the Table View pane on the right. Press Load, and Power Query will transform the data and load it into Excel as a table. Double-click the Sheet tab name and rename it World Cup Results. In the future, should you need to refresh the table to get updates to this World Cup data, you'd select the table, then click Query Refresh. We'll continue the tutorial in this workbook, so go ahead and start the next video and we'll pick up by importing some table data from Excel into Power Query.